my last video, I made how to start compounding your money. It basically just explained the perfect layout of what your money could do over time and how much profit you can make over time. So I'm going to be showing you guys a website called TradingView.com. Let me sign in real quick. Okay, so this website is your best friend. It really is, because it gives you everything you need to know around the world and what's going on in the economy. You know, people post what's going on and their point of views and different perspectives of what different currencies are going to, try to happen in the future, what they're going to do. So I'm going to be going to the charts. Now, when you look at the chart, it may look confusing. Anybody who looks at the chart and doesn't know what this is like, what the heck is this? This looks like, this looks terrible, basically. But it's really not that hard. Over time, it gets easier. Eventually you'll be able to be like, okay, this is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. Price is currently going down. This is also real time for the Euro USD. Now, each candlestick right now, since we're on the 1 minute time frame, is 1 minute. So right now, this candlestick is at 40 seconds. So, and then this was 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, and so on. Now, the different time frames has 1 minute, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Just like I said with the 1 minute, each candlestick for this, since we're on the 4 hour, is 4 hours. So this was one of the 4 hours, another 4 hours, and so on. You go back 1 day. Now, if you go back to 1 month, it just shows you the history of what that currency pair has been, going through. So this dates back all the way to 1993. It's honestly convenient because it gives you a good feel of like what it's been going from like in the past to now. So it's a good thing to, know. Another thing you want to keep in mind is history always repeats itself in the markets. So always remember that. So when it comes down to this, let me show you. Okay, so if you wanted to trade, look at the Apple stock, just simply click on it, go on 1 minute time frame, and it shows you, stocks for the Apple. It shows you Tesla, AMC, GameStop, which was a big hype a few months ago. A lot of people made money on that. Futures, Forex, this gives you all the different currencies around the world. You could trade. CFD, I trade CFD once in a while. It's gold, silver, oil, SP 500, SPX 500, Nasdaq, and then cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, which is, the main hype right now with Elon Musk being, tweeting and then the market crashes. So then you got indexes, got the economy. So if you really want us to look more in depth on a certain topic for the economy, it has it all right here. So these are the different tools. I don't really use tools as much right now because, I got into the point where I could just look at a market and be like, okay, for example, let me switch back. Look at Euro USD. So right now, uptrend, go on the 15 minute. Right now, price has been overall uptrend. It has been going in the last 15 minutes on a downtrend, but overall, in the last, 2 hours, 1 hour, price has been going up. So I'm not going to show you all the tools because honestly, there's a lot of tools and that's just very time consuming. Also, you don't have to learn every single tool on this website. When people always ask me, be like, yo, what is this? What is this? And honestly, I'm gonna be straight up with you. I don't even use all the things on here. I learned a certain type of way in trading and I stick to that way. And, of course, over time it's gotten better and it's, gonna keep getting better because you learn every day. But it just depends what type of trader you are. You could be a risky trader. I'm a risky trader. I like to, do high risk, high reward. And then conservative. So when you're a risky trader, you make faster amount of money in a certain time frame. While if you're conservative, you're being safe about it. Of course, you're gonna make money, but it's gonna take a little bit longer. This just shows you, all the price movements in real time. You don't, like I said, you don't need to fully look at everything and be like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Just look at what just look at the basics. Over time, it does get easy. And over time, you will make money. But at the same time, you're going to lose money. That's how it works. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose money. Trust me. I've lost money in this market and I've made money. Overall, I've made more money now. Before, my overall was a loss, but now I have profited all my loss throughout the years. So now another thing I wanted to show you guys before I end this video is the USD dollar. Let me show you. What is it? Actually, I think it's index. So this is the US dollar index. Now, this is literally like the dollar. So when you think of the dollar, this is what it is in digital form. If you go back to the history of this, when they started dating this and actually marking up so it could, start making a market, this is the highest it's ever been. And it's never been that high ever since 1985. It's never been that high. It was close back in early 2001, but price in the USD dollar has been terrible. Price is really, bad right now because especially with the pandemic and what's been going on in the past few years, they keep printing out more money. When you print out more money, it becomes less value. So if you could look at this and understand like why cryptocurrency is going to be the new thing, you'll understand and start to be like, oh, snap, like cryptocurrency is going to be the future because you can't keep printing out money. And the government has been printing out money a lot more recently, and it's really not good because it creates inflation and deflation, and it's just not a good thing for us right now. Sometimes it benefits us, but majority of the time it does not benefit the people. So, but yeah, price is really low right now. The lowest it's ever been was back in 2008, which that was terrible. But yeah, besides that, there's really nothing else for the website. I'm going to link this website in the description, so feel free just to look at it. You can make an account. Literally, you just sign up your email, and you have a free account. If it asks you to upgrade, don't bother upgrading. It's not worth it. Just stick to the free account. But besides that, I'm going to see you in my next video. And stay motivated and stay positive.